Hey guys, welcome to the channel again. General Mechanic right here, and I got another video I want to share with you guys. This is a 2008 F150 4.6 little truck, and I was having some AC problems with this thing. I had the customer was driving, and then it just stopped working, and so we started the diagnosis, check the pressure. The pressure was good. And kept going at it. Found out that both of the fuses were good. And every time I don't know if you noticed that every time you turn the AC on, the idle of the truck changes, right? It raises up a little bit in order to hold the idle stable when the compressor kicks on. But still, it didn't, come on. The compressor wasn't coming on. So first thing I wanted to do was check the fuses. And as you know, you got two fuses controlling this AC system. It's gonna be this fuse right here is number 11, fuse 11, and fuse number 32, which should be this fuse right here, the first blue one right beside this gray relay. They are the ones controlling the AC system on this truck. So we went ahead and checked them out. They are good. Now, next step you want to do, this is a diagnosis, and it could be done quick, but I had a little headache because I couldn't notice that the whole system was working right. So what I did was I unplugged the compressor, right? The AC compressor. I don't think you're gonna be able to see it with this camera right here. Well, I unplugged the connector of the AC compressor and checked the voltage coming at the compressor, because I'm saying the whole system sounded like it was working, right? Because when you turn it on, and the high pressure switch on the AC and the low pressure or recirculation cycle sensor right there at the dryer, they were both sending good signal. So what I kept going at it, when I unplugged it, I went ahead and got my voltmeter at the plug, at the connector of the compressor, and the relay was clicking. It was coming on. The relay for the AC compressor was coming on, but it was only sending me 4.5 volts. So we came to the AC compressor relay location, and I don't know if you know it, but the compressor relay is not inside the truck. In that fuse panel that I just showed you, it's right here on the front side of the car. If you're looking at the engine, it's gonna be on the right side, but it's considered to be the left side of the truck. You see this little relay right here? This is the relay for the AC compressor. So the relay was clicking, okay? Every time you put it in there, pull it out, we put it in there, it was clicking. But I guess the coil on the inside was bad or something. So we verified the I'm gonna show you guys. We verified the proms on it to make sure we had the signals we needed. The one, if you're looking at it this way, this one right here is the one on the upper right, supposed to be ground. Okay, we had good ground. The bottom left supposed to be power. We had good power. This is the one that comes for the goes to the compressor. So to check the wire from here to the compressor, what I did is jump power from the bottom left to the upper left, and that's the union that the relay does. Okay, so I got me a jumper wire and jump from there to here, and that will send the 12 volts, exactly 12 volts, and that will exclude the wire for being pinched or cut in the wiring harness. So as soon as I put 12 volts to that little connector right there, the compressor will come on and everything is working right. So what I did, I went and got me another relay. This is the part number, CarQuest part number RAA1735. This is the little relay right here, the new relay. Got it, put it on there, and I got a good system now. After I put the new relay on there, the whole system came on, and I got cold AC in the truck. So hopefully this will be of any help to you, and if it is, don't forget to like the video and subscribe as we have more videos coming. Thank you for watching.